Hello everyone, welcome to GRE Question of the Day. Today we will discuss a question on coordinate geometry. As you can see, our today's question is a multiple choice question with one or more than one correct answer. In this question, we are given that line AB passes through the origin and that C lies between 2 and 10, and we are asked to find which of the 7 values given below could possibly indicate values of D. Before we move on, I would request all of you to pause this video and try to solve this question on your own. In case you couldn't do it, do not lose hope since I am here to help you out. Before we move on to the detailed solution, let us take a quick glance at the correct answer. As you can see, the correct answers are options 3, 4 and 5. That is minus 1.8, minus 3.1 and minus 5.5. Now let us see how we arrived at this particular answers. So you can see from the figure that AB passes through the origin. Hence, the slope of line AB can be represented as 0 minus 2 divided by 0 minus of minus 3, which when simplified gives us minus 2 by 3. Hence, line AB can be represented as y equals to minus 2x by 3. Okay. Now, let us put the point B, which has coordinates CD, in this equation and find a relationship between D and C. So, when we put point B in this equation, we find that D is equal to minus 2C by 3. It is given to us that C lies between 2 and 10. Hence, minus C will lie between minus 10 and minus 2. And minus 2C will lie between minus 20 and minus 4, and thus minus 2C by 3 will lie between minus 20 by 3 and minus 4 by 3. On converting into the decimal form, we see that D lies between minus 6.67 and minus 1.33, and we see only options 3, 4 and 5 satisfy this inequality. I hope you guys could follow this solution. In case you couldn't, please pause this video and go through the typed solution here. With this, we come to an end of our today's session. We'll be back soon with more videos. Until then, keep working hard. Thank you and all the best.